Good morning.
Yes, good
Good
morning
morning,
to all.
ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
everyone.
morning, ma'am.
How are you all
Good
today?
morning, ma'am.
I'm
I'm fine,
thank you.
thank you. How are you, ma'am?
Thank you.
Yes, I'm also fine, my dears. Thank you so much. So today we are going to study the EVS 2. So ma'am already completed one chapter, right?
Yes.
Yes, so today we will start our new chapter. Okay, new chapter. It is natural resources. Do you know what is natural resources?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Yes. Meenakshi, what do we know about natural resources? Huh? What do you know about natural
Ma'am.
resources? What is that? How can we tell?
Natural.
Natural resources. What is that? Any idea about that?
I can say
Yes, yes, Anjida. Yes.
anything that comes from
Anything that comes from? Yes, correct.
Nature.
that's comes from
Yes,
nature.
yes, yes, yes.
Resources that come from nature.
Nature, yes, it is already existed there, isn't it? Huh? There is no hands behind this, no man power behind this natural resources. It is already there. The humans, they didn't do anything for this natural resources. It is there already. Okay, so can you tell any example for this natural resources? Any example?
Wood, oil, wind, energy,
Yes. Yes, and energy, oil,
water,
iron, water. Yes,
Wind.
correct.
air,
Wind. Yes, air. Yes, correct.
oxygen,
Oxygen. Yes.
wood,
Wood. Yes.
plants,
Plants. Very good.
Soil.
Soil. Yes.
forest,
Forest. Yes.
flowers,
Forest.
Birds.
Flowers. Yes. There are many things in our nature, right?
sunflower.
Yes, there are many natural resources and we are using these natural resources, isn't it? The man is not doing anything for getting this natural resources, but we are using this natural resources for our use, isn't it? Huh? Yes, flowers, flowers, fruits, and or we are consuming from this for natural resources. Whatever we want, we will depend on this natural resources. Yes. Yes. So today our topic is related to one natural resource, that is forest. Okay. We are going to study more about forest. Is it interesting, forest? Do you know more about forest?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
You want to study more about forest?
Yes.
So when you are hearing the forest word first time, you remember the first time you heard this word forest? Anyone?
First standard.
First standard? Huh?
When
No, when we are at home. Before we come to school, when we are very small children, no, your parents will tell stories for you, right?
Yes.
So at that time, most of the stories, this name will be there, forest. Once upon a time, in a forest, there lived a lion. Like that, your grandparents or parents are telling stories, or you will read that type of stories. Books and all, you can read it, isn't it? So that time when you're hearing this word forest, at that time itself, we will imagine what will be the condition of forest, how it will be. Like that, we will imagine in our mind. Yes, forest, it is a full of dark. Like that, some stories after reading, we can see there is a forest and man is going through the forest. And what happened? Then it was a night. Then the thieves are there behind the trees. And the man was very scared to go there. Like that, very interesting stories you are reading or your parents are telling.
Yes.
Yes. So we all know about this forest. That means what is meant by this forest? What all things will be there in the forest?
A forest is covered with many trees and plants.
Yes. Yes, yes. Yes. Birds, trees, many trees are there. Birds.
Mountains.
Mountains, yes. Hmm?
Animals.
Animals, yes.
Mountains.
Ah, yes. Then animals will be the trees are the rivers are there. Yes. Ah, trees are there. So when we are hearing the stories from our grandparents, we will imagine how this will be the forest, how the forest it will be. There may be big trees, many big animals will be there, birds are there, flowers, rivers, so many things are there. Huh? So we all know some idea about this forest. So forest is a natural resource. So, and one more thing I want to add here, this forest, all these forests are not same. We can, from seeing, we can see that all the forest containing the trees, animals, birds and all. But there are some difference. So we are going to study more about this forest. So according to this, different kinds of forests are there. There are mainly 5 types of forest. Okay. So the first one we are going to study about coniferous forest. Let me share the screen for you.
Coniferous forest.
Yes. So this is our new chapter. What is the chapter name? Natural resources, forest and soil. Okay. Then here are some important points about this forest. What is the first point? Anchita, please read the first point.
Ma'am,
Yes, Anchita.
forest.
Forest. A forest is a place.
A forest is a place covered by many trees and plants.
Plants. Very good. Okay, thank you. Jonath, please read the second point. Jonath.
Forests grow naturally, that is on their own.
Yes, very good. Then the next stands for Shiva Shankaran. Please read the third point.
They take thousands of years to grow.
Yes, that takes thousands of years to grow. In this forest, we can see big trees are there. So how much time it is taking to grow? Thousands of years. Okay, then next, Jyoti Lakshmi. Please read the last point.
There are different kinds of forests.
Yes, that is what we are going to study. There are different kinds of forest. The first one it is coniferous forest. What is this? How to read it one? This one?
Coniferous forest.
Coniferous
Coniferous
forest. See,
forest.
they look at this picture. You can see the coniferous forest. One picture. Yes or no? Yes. You can see the picture of a coniferous forest. Then I will show you one more. See, look at this picture. This picture is also, you can see. What are the specialities of these trees in this forest?
It is like
Christmas tree.
Huh?
Christmas tree.
It looks like a Christmas tree, right?
Yes.
What is a Christmas tree? The
There
shape
are
of,
finger.
huh?
There are finger.
Cone shape.
What? I didn't understand.
Cone
Please.
shape.
It is a triangular shape, isn't it? The trees are look like a triangular shape. And you can see here the trees. What about the leaf of this tree?
The leaves are like needles.
Very pointed, right? It not look like the other trees. It is the leaves. It look like needles. Okay, it look like needles. So each tree you can observe it is very clearly. It is understand that the leaves of these trees are very needle. And do you know where these trees, forests we can found? We can found these coniferous. Yes, very good.
Himalayan and Nilagiri mountains.
Yes, very good, very good. This type of tree forest, that is coniferous forest, we can see in the region of Himalayan and Nilagiri mountain. Do you know what is the climate there? Himalayan.
Cold.
Yes, there it is very cold, isn't it? Yes, and there the snow falls also there. Snow falls. Snow is falling all the time. So here, because of these leaves of the trees, it look like needles. The snow will not collect on these trees. It will go directly to down. Okay, if it is because of this needle shaped leaves, the snows will not remain there. Okay, children.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
it will go down. So that is the speciality of these leaves of the trees. And you can see the trees. The top portion is a narrow portion, and down you can see a wider portion. Okay, so these are the main points of the coniferous forest. The first point is narrow at the top and wider at the bottom. Yes, that is the one speciality. And the second one is the leaves looks like needles. Okay, in which forest it is? In which forest? Coniferous forest.
Coniferous.
And in this, we can found these forests in Himalayan and Nilgiri mountain. Okay, have you all understood?
Yes.
Yes. So what is the first forest we studied about?
Coniferous forest.
Coniferous forest. And from where we can found these type of forest?
Himalayan and Nilagiri mountains.
Himalayan and Nilagiri mountains. What is the speciality of the leaves?
Yes.
The leaves are pointed. The trees are pointed and narrow at
Okay.
the top and bigger at the bottom.
Let me ask you one by one. If all are telling together, I couldn't understand whoever is listening or not. Huh? So Meenakshi, what is the speciality of the forest in this coniferous forest? What are the speciality of the leaves? Meenakshi? Yes, pointed. Yes, it's look like needles. Okay, very good. So because of this leaves, Sahil, because of this leaves, what is the use of these leaves for these trees? Sahil? There you can see heavy snow falls, right?
Yes.
So because of this needle leaf, how it is helpful for the trees? The snow will not remain. See, please listen to the class properly, okay? The snow will not remain on these branches or the leaves. It will directly fall down. Okay? Understood, children? So that is the first type of forest we study, that is coniferous forest. And we are going to study the second forest, that is evergreen forest.
Evergreen forest.
Yes. So in this name itself, you can understand what is the speciality of this evergreen forest. Evergreen. We can see always greenish color there.
Yes.
Evergreen forest. The trees are evergreen. Why it is evergreen? You know the reason?
No.
Falling
No.
water.
Huh?
Water.
Water. The forest, the plants, the trees are getting enough water. Okay. Why it is getting enough water? Do you know? It is
They are found in the hot and
yes,
region of India.
Yes, very good. This we can found in the hot and wet regions of India, and in this area there are plenty of rain. The trees are getting rain and sunshine also.
On the west gate.
Yes, on the Western Ghats. Okay, it is there in the Western Ghats, though there is enough rain and sunlight. So these trees are getting enough water and sunlight. So that is why these trees are evergreen. Do you know the reason? That is the reason why these forest trees are evergreen. And which type of trees are there in this forest? Which type of trees? I'll tell one or two names. That is, one is Eucalyptus. One tree name is eucalyptus
Rosewood.
and rosewood also. Let me share the screen. The next one is evergreen. See, from this picture itself, you can see it is a very green color, right?
Evergreen.
A very beautiful, very nice forest it is, evergreen forest. Here, see, the evergreen forest, I wrote here some main points. So, Mridul, please read the first point here.
Okay, ma'am. Found in hot and wet regions of India.
Very good. Where we can found these type of evergreen forest? In hot and wet regions of India. Yes. Then, so with Shankar, please read the second point.
Second point.
Yes, second point. This one.
There is
Mm.
plenty
Mm.
of rain
Rain
and
and
sunshine.
sunshine. There is plenty of rain and sunshine. Yes. Then, Aiden, please read with the third point.
They never shed their leaves.
Third point, this one. Third one.
Trees such as
Eucalyptus
eucalyptus and
and
rosewood
rosewood.
grow in this region.
Yes, very good. So these are the examples. Some examples are eucalyptus and rosewood trees are there, especially in this evergreen forest. Okay, then one more point is there. Navaneet, please read the last point.
Yes, ma'am.
They never
their leaves
shed their leaves completely. They never shed their leaves completely. So in these trees, in between only the leaves will fall down. You can see in some areas, only the stems are there on the tree. You can't see any leaves. Which season it is? Autumn season. Autumn season. All the leaves will fall down. But here in this evergreen forest, they never shed their leaves completely. Okay, why? They are getting rain and sunlight, right? So always the new leaves will come. So when the older leaf fall down, before that the new leaf will be there. So that is why this evergreen always. Understood, children?
Yes.
What are the main points in this evergreen? So that is our second forest. What is this name? Evergreen forest. Okay. And the third forest. I'm going to tell the third forest. That is deciduous forest. Deciduous forest. See? Yes. Deciduous forest. Listen. In this forest, we can find these type of forest in Southern Plateau region. You already studied the Southern Plateau in the previous chapter, right?
Yes.
Yes. So these type of forests we can see in the Southern Plateau, and the examples for this type in this forest you can see trees like bamboo or teak. All these type of trees we can see in this type of forest. Okay, children. And in these trees, in this forest, the trees are having broad and flat leaves. Okay, the leaves of the trees are broad and flat.
Flat leaves.
Yes, the broad and flat leaves of trees are there, and they can carry a lot of, they can catch a lot of light and enough water. Okay, because of this leaf, flat leaves and all, they can hold enough water and light also. So what will happen? They will lose their leaves during the dry season. Hot season, they will lose the leaves. Okay, so these are the specialities of, you can see here the deciduous forest. See, you can see some leaves, some trees are there. Yes or no?
Yes.
And only some trees you can see the leaves. Some are without leaves. So what is the reason? What is the reason? The leaves are very broad and flat. So these leaves can hold enough water and light. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So that is why it is losing their leaves during dry season.
Summer season.
Summer season. Okay. And can you tell the examples for this type of trees? In this deciduous forest, which type of trees are there? For example,
Bamboo.
teak and bamboo. Okay, teak and bamboo. So now we study about tree forest, right? What is the first one? First one, coniferous forest. The second one is
Evergreen forest.
evergreen forest. The third one is deciduous forest. Okay, so please open your textbook, my dears. Please open your textbook, page number 22. Please take page number 22 and take your rough book also. Please take your rough book also. Yes.
Ma'am, I took
Yes, yes. Let me share the board. Textbook and your rough book also. And please open the rough book and write one heading. The main topic is forest. So please write forest.
Ma'am, we want to take a textbook.
Textbook also, you please take it.
Ma'am, rough book.
Yes, rough book also. Please open the rough book and write forest.
Finished.
Yes. So first you write one point, that is, it's a natural, it is a natural resource. It is a natural resource.
It is a natural.
finish. Finish, ma'am.
It's a natural resource. Okay. And there are different types of forest. Different types of forest are there. So write different types of forest.
Different. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T. Different types. D-I-D-Y.
Finish.
And in your textbook, please take page number 23. You can see the first forest name. It is coniferous forest. So please underline that name and please write here. The first one is coniferous. C-O-N-I-F-E-R-O-U-S. Coniferous forest.
One. Coniferous. N-I.
Finish, ma'am.
Ma'am, we want to underline.
First you underline in the textbook and after that please write it in the rough book. Coniferous forest.
Finish.
Okay, then please take the textbook and you have to underline some main points there. Here there is a dot, you can see the trees are pointed and narrow at the top and wider at the bottom. Please underline that sentence. The trees are pointed and narrow at the top and wider at the bottom. And the next sentence also important. This prevents snow from remaining on their branches.
Ma'am, page number 22.
23. Page number
Finish.
23. Okay.
Ma'am, what is the
Ma'am, can you say the first
Second
sentence?
point also. Second point also. The leaves are like needles.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can
Finish, ma'am.
you tell the first sentence?
First sentence you can see there. The trees are pointed and narrow at the top and wider at the bottom. This prevents snow from remaining on their branches. And what is our second forest name?
Trees are like needles.
Which one? Yes, the second point also please underline.
Forest.
The leaves are like needles. Then the next one you write, please write in your rough book. What is the next forest we studied?
Evergreen
Evergreen forest.
Evergreen forest. Forest, yes. Evergreen forest. And what are the specialities of evergreen forest?
This is green color.
Yes, this forest. The trees are always in green, evergreen. And examples for these trees, eucalyptus and rosewood. Yes.
Finish.
And our third one more forest we studied
Ma'am,
about.
Should we
Third one.
underline evergreen forest in the textbook?
Yes, take page number 24. Take page number 24. And the first sentence you underline, evergreen forests are found in hot and wet regions of India.
Finish.
The next paragraph, the examples are there. Trees such as eucalyptus and rosewood. Please underline that.
Underline.
Please mute the device, my dear. Some disturbance are there.
Ma'am, can you say one
Second sentence.
First sentence, evergreen forests are found in the hot and wet regions of India.
Second sentence.
Second paragraph, first sentence. Trees such as eucalyptus and rosewood grow in these regions. And please write the third one, what we studied. Third forest name is deciduous.
deciduous forest?
Deciduous forest. Right.
Finish.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Okay,
Finish.
then please give me for some time. Let me take the attendance also in between. Yes, Abigail.
Present.
Alan
Recording
Shaji.
is on.
It's okay, it's okay.
Ma'am, present.
Yes. Okay, so thank you so much, my dears. Study well. Okay, bye-bye. See you.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye.